Hey there, everybody. In this section, which is section 7.11 of this massive chapter it is that we're going through, this is on page 463 for those of you following along with the text. What I'll tell you is, now please, just hold on for a second. Now, what I'll tell you is, you professionally will not develop new searching or sorting algorithms. It's already done for you. But please don't walk away and hang up and go like, what a good developer am I, because I'm never going to have to know about this. This is one of those areas where good developers understand how searching and sorting works and why searching and sorting works, and bad developers let bad searches and bad sorts destroy their careers. So this is what we're going to do for 7.11. Is all of what you see here from page, 463 on down. The actions that are undertaken here are the same in every language. So I'm not going to use the word cop out here just a little bit, but I'm going to cop out here just a little bit and give to you the videos I have for pseudocode searching and sorting, because quite literally, and this is true in your career, this is not me being lazy. Maybe it is. But this is the truth. You are going to, whether or not you are working with a very, very large piece of data or a very, very small piece of data, you are going to want to have that data sorted, right? So here, this particular method sorts your data that is stored into an array from it's in ascending order, so from smallest to largest, and this is the same in every language. So there's a little bit of difference here, like can we use a for loop? Is it a do while? Things like that maybe change a little bit. Can you, some of the syntax there is going to be different, but it's really not that big a deal, because every time you use a sort algorithm, you're just going to grab one from off of the shelf. Here, with a binary search algorithm, you are going to grab a binary search algorithm off the shelf. So it is going to be completed for you. Now, what I hopefully did not do is give you the impression that they do not matter, because they do. You are going to be working with very, very large sets of data. So we can look here at 20,000 elements and say, wow, that's a pretty big set of data. No, that's really not a big set of data. When we run student records at Rock Valley College, they're bigger than this sometimes. If we run course records, they're bigger than this. So there have been, 20,000 credit hours just for CIS240 and CIS241 here at Rock Valley College. That seems like a lot, but it really isn't. When we're working with data, we're thinking of numbers that are generally going to be much, much larger than this. Hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands, millions, hundreds of millions. So the rationale behind how is it that we identify what kind of a value it is that we're looking for. So a binary search works on, primitive data types like integers and doubles. It works on objects like strings and objects like objects that you would create. And as we go down through here, this page is 466. You can actually see the pseudocode, and that's why I'm actually going to give you a pseudocode algorithm for that, so you can follow along without having to worry about Java, because all you're going to do is take this on 467, copy it, and paste it into something. So what I will tell you is, please, please, please do not hang up right here. I know that you're like, oh, well, hold on. He sounded like he wasn't going to tell us more about searching and sorting. The payout to listening to the searching and sorting videos that I'll post, immediately following this one on the page, is that you absolutely will be involved in searching and sorting operations throughout your career. The more you know about how they operate, the more able you'll be able to tell how long that operation should take. So does 3 million records take 4.5 seconds? No, it probably doesn't. Something went wrong. Do 1,000 records take 4.5 hours? No, something probably went wrong. So listen to the subsequent videos here. See how the searching and sorting actually works so you know what's going on. The more you understand it, the better armed you'll be to actually deal with searching and sorting right after you grab the code off the shelf, paste it into your code, and say, "My, what a good developer am I."